Hello friends, welcome to my channel Payroll Training. In this video, I am going to show you how we can change bulk file name through macro in one go. So on my screen you can see we have a macro, and this macro can change any type file name. File extension never impact on this macro. You can change any PDF, docs, Excel format file name through this macro. So let's start. In this macro, first you have to browse the location where all your files are saved. So let me check where my files are saved. They are in the new folder. Need to go in the desktop, and in this folder I have saved my all files. So these are the files. So these are the files which I have saved in my folder. I'm going to change the name of all these files. I provided location to my macro, and then I'm clicking on OK, and I'm clicking on old file name. When I click on the old file name, all the file names are appear here. Now I would like to suggest new file name. So let's start. So I want this Word document name should be Michael, and Ram, the third file name should be Ram, and another file name should be Tom and Tim, and this file name I needed as now I have to click on the new file name button, and when I click on this button, the adjacent file name will be implemented in the saved path. So let's click on this. So this message is appearing successful, and here you can see all the file name has changed, but as you can see the extension is not appearing here because I didn't provide extension in the macro. So let's provide the extension, and it should be docx, and going like this. Now as you can see on the path, file name is already changed, so I need to change old file name because these file name are not here now. So I need to provide current file name, which is without extension, and now I will click on the new file name. When I click on the new file name, it directly replaces the adjacent file name on the path. It's been successful. Now let's go over here. So as you can see, the file name has changed. So through this macro you can change unlimited file name in one go. Normally we can use this macro when we have to arrange multiple files name in one go, or we have to rename multiple payslips, documents file name, then we can use this macro. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.